So, believe it or not, when you get to middle school, you're going to see shapes like the ones I'm about to show you. When I taught sixth grade last year, I saw these shapes, so I know that you're going to see them even next year. You'll see them in seventh grade also, but I know you'll see them in sixth grade. So let's take a look. All right. So say we've got a shape like this. Wow, look at that line. That's terrible. Okay. So we look, that looks like a house. All right. So we're going to assume this is a square. And what makes a square? Four sides, and they're all the same. And the height of this triangle is 3 inches. Now we know that the height of that triangle is not 3 inches. But for the sake of what we're doing, we're going to say it is. We're going to say that this side is 4 inches. Now, this is the only two pieces of information that they're going to give you. And they're going to want to know the area of this entire shape. And here's the way you find it. So, we know that this square has 4 equal sides. So, if this side is 4 inches, then this side is 4 inches. And the way we find the area of the square is we multiply this side by this side. 4 inches by 4 inches. And 4 times 4 equals what? Right, 16. So the area of this square is 16 inches squared. Now we need to find the area of the triangle. So we know that the sides are all equal. So this side is 4 inches just like that side. But if the sides are all equal, this side is also 4 inches. So we're going to put 4 inches right here. Now the way that we're going to find the area of a triangle is we're going to multiply base times height. And we're going to divide it by 2. So 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 inches squared. So if we add these up, we're going to get the combined area of this entire shape. So 16 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. We carry your 2, or carry your 1, rather. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the area of that entire shape is 22 inches squared. And did everybody see how we found that? We found the area here was 16 inches. And the area here was 6 inches. And then we just added those together. Now, if you're taking notes, which I would love it if you were, if you're taking notes, please put this in your notes because it's going to be very important. I've already been through how hard this is with several students. In fact, I tutored a 7th grader on just this. So I know it'll be difficult. But I want to help you to figure it out. Okay, so 6 plus 16 is 22 inches square, which is the area of this house, if you want to call it a house. Okay. So let's do another one of those. Sometimes they're actually kind of fun. It's kind of fun to try to make up shapes. So we've got a rectangle down here. Once again, not a very good rectangle, but you don't have to be an artist. We've got two squares on each side. That doesn't look good. I'm going to try to make this drawing as accurate as possible. Which it's not. And then we've got this big triangle here, which I don't even have as much room as I wanted to. So these are squares. We're going to say the sides are 2 centimeters of both of them. So this is 2 centimeters and this is 2 centimeters. We're going to say the length of this rectangle is 10 centimeters. And we're going to say the height of this triangle is 8 centimeters. Okay. Now, this is going to be crazy. So just follow me. Okay. So first thing we're going to do, we know that these are both squares. So so if this side's 2 centimeters, this side's also 2 centimeters, which is going to come in handy in a minute. And they're equal. So that side's 2 centimeters, this side's 2 centimeters, and the bottom, which is most important for what we're doing right now, is also 2 centimeters. So, in order to find the area of a square, we're going to multiply this side by this side. 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And this is also 4 because this is also 2 times 2. Now, we found the area of the squares. So, we've got one part done. Now, we've got to find the area of the rectangle. So, we do length times width. 10 times 2. And 10 times 2 is what, guys? 20. Okay. Now, this is going to be our last shape that we need to find the area of. So, if in a rectangle, if this side is 2, that side is 2. If this side is 10, this side is 10. So, okay, so now this is a pretty interesting problem. Because we need the base of this entire triangle, not just this part. So, this side of this square is 2 centimeters. And this side of this square is 2 centimeters. So, in order to get the entire base here, we have to add all of these numbers. 2 plus 10 plus 2. 2 plus 10 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. So if we multiply 14 times 8, let's see, let's do some side work here. 14 times 8, 2, carry the 3, 11. Now, so we multiplied the base times the height. Now we're going to have to divide it by 2. That's 2, 6. So the area... No, that's not right. 2 times 5 is 10. And we have 1 left over. So 2 times 6 is 12. So the area of this entire triangle is 56 centimeters squared. Now, we've got one more step. This is our final step, I promise. We've got to add all these numbers to get the total area for this entire shape. So 56 plus 20 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, so let's do this 2 at a time. 56 plus 20 is 76. 4 plus 4 is 8. So now we're down to 2 numbers. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry the 1, and that's 84. So this entire shape, the area is 84 centimeters squared of that entire shape. So that was a pretty good amount of work, but it's just like eating an elephant. You got to do it one bite at a time. If you try to eat the whole thing, it won't fit in your mouth. So until next time, guys, these are called composite figures, area of composite figures. I'll do another video showing you how to find the area of easy and complex figures. But until next time, keep practicing, guys, and I'll see you later.